Hey guys, name's Hunter. I'm a developer at Burn1 Studios. I'm going to be showing you how to make a FiveM QBCore server in under 4 minutes. Alright, so your number one tool here is going to be a solid code editor. So we're going to be getting VSCode, so just follow the install like this. So accept the agreement, click next, next again, and next. You're going to want to add these, and desktop icon next, install. Just like that, you've installed VSCode. Next, we're going to be getting the thing that hosts our database, and we're going to be using Laragon. Laragon is like XAMPP, it's just a little bit more reliable. So click OK, next, finish, and boom. Now we're going to tweak some things. Go to settings, click start all automatically, so that's how your MySQL starts anytime you open Laragon. Then go into services and ports, shut off Apache because we don't really need it. And then click start all. Now we have HeidiSQL, so this is our interface for our database. So just gonna download it real quick, and then once it's downloaded, open it, accept the agreement, and then click next, next again, next again, next, install, and finish. Now we're gonna make a session here, so click new. Now just type something in for the purpose of the tutorial. I'm gonna type FiveM. And just like that, we're set up. Click open, and your interface is up. Alright, so now let's install the actual server. We're going to be making a folder. You can make it anywhere. I'm choosing my desktop. So inside this folder, we are going to be making 2 more folders. Alright, you don't have to organize it this way. This is just how I choose to. So we're going to make a server data folder and an artifacts folder. Alright. Now, inside the artifacts folder, let's open it up, and then head to the website, links in the description, download the latest recommended. Alright, open this up, and then drag all of these files just right into it. Control A, drag. Great. Now, let's click fxserver.exe, and once this loads up, click allow access. Taking a minute. Alright, so link the account. This is just going to let it so you are able to access txAdmin. So click continue. Alright, I'm just setting the password to YouTube for the sake of the video, and then you're going to go ahead and create the account. Great. Now click next, and again, purpose of the video, I'm just going to call it quick start. Click next. Now I'm going to select popular template here, click QBCore. Alright, now we're going to change the path, right? We're going to grab the path of our server data folder, just do it exactly how I do. Now click save, go to recipe deployer. Great, click next. Now we need our license key, so let's head into Keymaster. Alright, so verify you're not a robot, and then once we are in, you're going to have to sign in, go to new. And now we're going to register the server within cfx.re. So name it whatever you want. Now I like to get my IP from IP chicken, just very easy. Just copy and paste it. I have faith in my editing skills. I hope I blur that later. But just call it localhost, home hosted, all that, and generate your key. So now we're going to copy that, and we just paste it right in here. Run the recipe. And then make sure you have Laragon, alright? Again, make sure it's open. And once that's all set, it should create your database for you automatically. It's gonna set up everything you need for the server. So now go ahead and click next, and we're going to start and run our server. Great, so everything should be working now, alright? It might take a little bit longer for you, but that is alright. Now, if you follow the same process, your server should be up just like this. So go ahead and click the local host. Alright, mine's called Hunter. And just like that, you should have a working QBCore server. This has been a very in-depth tutorial that should get your feet wet and your server running with no experience at all. If you found this video helpful, you should drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Because next week we'll be going over making your own add-on car packs, as well as adding these vehicles into QBCore. And one last thing, just want to let you guys know about Burn One Studios. This is a community where myself and other like-minded developers will be releasing our own FiveM resources, and we'll even be giving support with any issues you run into on any resources you have, regardless of who created it or what framework it's for. That's as long as the code's unencrypted or you have proof of purchase, assuming it's a paid resource. So again, thank you guys, and see you in the next one.